Hi, good morning. Welcome to yourstutor.com. In today's session, we'll talk about operators in PHP. So, what's an operator? Well, to understand this, let's look at an expression which is 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Now, in this expression, 4 and 5 are called operands, and the addition sign or the plus sign is called the operator. Now, we have different types of operators in PHP. We have arithmetic operators, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, the operator to find out the remainder, the increment operator and the decrement operator. Same way we have comparison operators, logical operators, assignment operators and a conditional operator. So in this tutorial we'll talk about arithmetic operators, how to use them. So to understand how the arithmetic operators work, let's declare two variables. Let's the variable a and assign the value of 10, and a variable b, let's assign a value of maybe 6. Let's assign another variable c, and let's declare another variable c, and let's not assign any value to this right now. So now we would be doing arithmetic operations on a and b, and the result would be stored in the variable c. So let's do the addition first. So let's say variable c is equal to variable a plus variable b. So a plus b, which means 10 plus 6, would be equal to c. So this a and b are called the operands, and the addition sign or the plus sign would be called the operator or the addition operator. And let's display the value of c on the screen. Echo addition of a and b equal to variable c. And if I refresh the page, you would see the addition of a and b is equal to 16. So 10 plus 6 is equal to 16. Let's do another arithmetic operation which is of subtraction. So let's now c is equal to variable a minus variable b. So 10 minus 6. So echo subtraction of b from a equal to c. Let's add a line break here so that the things would be easily readable. So subtraction of b from a is equal to 4. So 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. So it's pretty simple. Now let's do a multiplication operator. So c is equal to a into b. So let's add a line break over here also. Let's print multiplication of a and b is equal to c. So let's see what's the answer is. So 10 into 6 is equal to 16. Pretty simple, isn't it? The next operator is the division operator. So let's divide a with b. So c is equal to a divided by b, and let's display this. Echo a divided by b is equal to c. Another line break here. Save this, refresh this. So a divided by b is equal to 1.66. So of course 10 divided by 6. Later on we'll also talk about how to control the number of decimals here. Now let's look at the another operator, which is to find out the remainder. Now if I kind of do this, c is equal to a, the remainder of operator, b, and we need to display it out like remainder of a divided by b is equal to c. So what do you expect? Let's save this. Let's refresh the page. Of course, the remainder would be 4. So 10 divided by 6. So A is 10, B is 6. So 10 divided by 6, the remainder would be 4, which is stored here. So this is the operator to find the remainder of a division. Alright, the next operator is the increment operator, denoted by the plus plus sign. Now, increment operator increments the value of a particular variable by 1. For example, here originally the value of A is equal to 10, and if we use this increment operator, so we need to use first write the variable and then the plus plus sign. This would increase the value of A by 1 and would make it 11 in this case, and we can actually check it by echoing the result on the screen. So the incremented value of A is equal to variable A, which now stores the value 11, and if we refresh the page, you would see the 11 is displayed over here. The next operator is the decrement operator. It reduces the value of a variable by 1. Now, if we apply this operator again on A, minus minus, so this would now reduce the value of A by 1. So at the line number 29, the A had value 11. Since we had incremented the value by 1, now we are decrementing the value by 1. So A now holds a value of 10. So we can check it by displaying it on the screen. So decremented value of A is equal to operator A, semicolon. Let's add a line break over here. So let's save this and run this. Yes, the decremented value of A is equal to 10. So these are pretty basic and simple arithmetic operators provided by PHP. Although these are very, very simple to use, but the entire maths function would run on these all arithmetic operations. So thank you so much for listening. In the next tutorial, we'll talk about some more operators like comparison operators and logical operators. So see you. Thank you.